Welcome back. It's a pleasure to be your guide. If you enjoy this video, or you are a returning viewer, show your appreciation by leaving a thumbs up to help my channel grow. Now on to your reading. Good morning, dear Scorpio. As the 27th of February dawns upon us, the Libra moon aligns with fiery Mars, dear Scorpio, urging you to trust your instincts and follow your intuition. Your emotions are your compass, and they exist for a reason. Allow yourself to be guided through feelings and intuition, for they will reveal what is best for you. Seek restoration through personal nurturing when Venus activates, dear Scorpio. Take the time to pamper yourself and indulge in self-care, for your well-being is of utmost importance. Consider working remotely if you have the freedom to do so, for a change of scenery may offer a much-needed shift in perspective. You may become frustrated by disorganization or a lack of teamwork when the nodes of fate stir later in the day, dear Scorpio. Allow yourself to detach from your peers and focus on what you can control. Take comfort in the vibrancy that comes from pursuing passion projects or visiting with friends, for these are the moments that nourish your soul. May your day be filled with trust in your instincts and a deep sense of restoration, dear Scorpio. I appreciate your presence today. If you found this session helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. This helps my channel reach more people and ensures you won't miss your next horoscope. Thank you for your support, and I hope to see you here again tomorrow. Take care.